Hi, I'm Robert with Coblentz Builders, where we take your dreams and make them a reality. Today we're working on something a little bit different. Normally we do post frame buildings, pole buildings, barndominiums, garages. Today we're working on a cabin for somebody that asked us, and it has a full block foundation, 26 by 36 foot house with a 10-foot porch by 36 in the back and a 10-foot porch by 36 in the front. So let me show you around the job site. So far the only thing that has been done is Andy, our block layer, came in and laid all the block for the foundation, and he did pour the back porch and inside the basement. He didn't pour the front porch yet. He wants to wait. We got to put a lot of fill in right here, so he doesn't want it pushing along the wall. So we're going to put our floor trusses in today, and then he'll come back and fill this all in and do the concrete. He got 8-inch block for both foundations for the porches, and then he's got 10-inch block for the basement. His cores all throughout the foundation. On the house section for the cores, he puts these bolts in here. This is so that we could attach the green board. We drill holes in the green board and set them down here and just bolt them right down. He's got the 2-inch foam board wherever it's underneath the ground, and behind that, I think you can see here, behind that there's the tar. So he puts the tar first and then the 2-inch foam board. We used Forma-Drain. So all around the foundation, we used the Forma-Drain, and that way it also works as a drain and the form for your foundation. Did that throughout around the whole house. So here's going to be a doorway. He put in 2 pieces of angle iron right here. They're 3/8 inch thick. That's in order to hold the weight of the house on top of the openings. Also did the same thing for the garage door here. This is going to be a 8-foot by 8-foot garage door. Also has the angle iron here. So he's got the floor done in here already. He put 2 floor drains in case any water gets in here. And they did put in the heated floor system. So far, this was all done from Andy, our concrete and block layer guy. This is Coblentz Builders' first day on the job. So I'm really excited to get the lumber unloaded and get this project started. So we notched the block out, and we're sliding in these LVLs. We're going to take 3 LVLs and put them together to form our header. We're using 4-inch ledger locks to put them together and make sure that they're really tight. So we're drilling holes through our 2x10 green board so that we can put it down over top the bolts. We're putting our seal down that goes in between the treated 2x10 and the cement block. It makes for a really nice seal so that weather can't get through there. So here's Harvey. He's putting on our rim board. We're using a 2x12 for a rim board because we're going to be using 2x12s for our floor joists. And this way all our 2x12 floor joists can butt up against this rim board and it gives us something to nail to. So we got most of our 2x12 floor joists in. Now we're getting ready to frame the box in where we're going to put our steps that go down into the basement. So now we get to put on our subfloor. We're using Advanced Tech subflooring. It's made to be able to get weathered outside for a little bit before we get the roof on. It's a 3/4 inch tongue and groove subflooring that we'll put down over the whole deck. So first we're using subfloor glue that we put down on the floor joists, and then we're using 8-penny nails to nail it down. Well, I guess that wraps it up for today. We wanted to get all the subfloor on, but we weren't able because of the rain. We ended up getting rained out. I guess we'll have to finish that up tomorrow. Tomorrow we also have Andy, our block guy and concrete guy, coming, and he's going to finish up this front porch. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Coblentz Builders. It is 7 o'clock and we're back at the cabin and everybody is here. We got the concrete crew here. We got Coblentz Builders here, and hopefully today is going to be a lot better day than it was yesterday. The gravel is here to fill in the front porch and to get ready for the concrete. So now that we got all the gravel in here, we have to run this compactor on top compact it all and make it really tight before we put the concrete on. So the last thing before we start the concrete is to put the wire mesh in to help hold the concrete together. So after waiting for quite a while for it to dry, it's time to finish it with the hand trowel. Well, that's a wrap for today's video. I hope that you can hear me. It's pretty windy out here, but the weather was a lot better than it was yesterday. As you can see back here, we got the concrete poured for the front porch. It looks amazing. And we got one of the walls put up in the back. If you like what you've seen in today's video, hit the like and the subscribe button, and we'll see you tomorrow.